etc. Okay. So also they are used for carry goods. So astronauts. So who are these astronauts? Those who fly in the space. Okay. They do research work in the space. Find out what is happening in the space and to discover new things. Okay. So you can look at these. So this is an astronaut. So this is an astronaut. Okay. And they use rockets for space travel. So this is the rocket. They use rockets for space travel. So with the help of rockets, they go to the space. Okay. So from a rocket, okay. So they come out, okay, but they are attached to this and they come out and do the research, etc. Okay, in the space. Okay, children. So we have seen different means of transport. So we also have learned the uses of different means of transport. So without these means of transport, our life is impossible, isn't it or not? So for our survival, these means of transport is very, very important for our needs and for our purposes, etc. Yes, children? So any doubt you have? Shall I show from the beginning all the slides, children? Just have a look at it. Okay? Just, so for each slide I will be giving just 2 minutes time. All those who missed also can see. So the entire lesson once we will cover. Means of transport. Okay? So you find here all varieties of transport. So all you find here what is that? Means of land transport, means of water transport, means of air transport, all these. Okay. And animal driven vehicles, human driven vehicles, you find all these. So here just you have a look at it, children. This is tonga and bullock cart, bicycle, cycle rickshaw, and this is e-rickshaw. Okay. So this is e-rickshaw with the help of a battery. With the help of a battery, this rickshaw is run. Okay. And this battery is being charged. After recharging the battery, with the help of battery, this e-rickshaw is run. Okay. So next, scooter, then motorcycle, then auto rickshaw, car, okay, and van, bus, tractor, and this is, what is that? A truck. Okay, these are also trucks, and this is a goods carrier. Okay, a lorry. That is not okay. This is a goods train. This is goods train. Okay, and this is also metro train, passenger train, aeroplane, helicopter, okay, boat, steamer, ship, and a rocket. So all of them in one chart, okay. So these are means of land transport. Means of land transport that are used in cities and towns. Yes, cars, buses, auto rickshaw, scooters, motorcycles, okay, cycle rickshaws. So e-rickshaws I showed you, no? So all of them are, okay, the main means of land transport in cities and towns. So next, means of land transport, these are also, so but they are mostly used in villages. Okay, tonga and bullock cart, a tractor, yes, bicycle. Next we have railways. These are also means of land transport. So these are the rails. Trains run on rails. Okay. So the trains that carry passengers, they are called as passenger trains, and the trains that carry goods are called as goods trains. And in metropolitan cities like Delhi, Bengaluru, Kolkata, okay, Hyderabad and all, we have got metro trains for local transport. So within the city to travel, metro train. Next, so today we have revised this one. Just have a look at it. So means of air transport. A camel pulling a cart, mules and ponies, smaller horses, astronauts, a rocket. Okay, so in the picture you find astronaut and rocket. Okay, astronauts use rockets for space travel. Yes, children, do you have any doubt? So as homework, today we will not be able to do the, why? Because tomorrow we will start doing the textbook exercises. Tomorrow we will not be able to do. Tomorrow we will be starting the textbook exercises. Okay, children? So be ready with the textbook. We will be starting the textbook exercises. So as homework, you learn the lesson, not learning, children, but you have to learn all the difficult words that I have given yesterday and day before yesterday, and you read the lesson, means of transport. So I will give you the pages, so you read the lesson, also learn the difficult words that are given yesterday and day before yesterday. Yes, children? So as homework, read lesson. So in the textbook we have 7 pages. One 33, 2, 136. Also learn the hard words that are given yesterday and day before yesterday. So that is the homework, children. So tomorrow we will be starting the textbook exercises. So you be ready with the textbook, also pencil and eraser. some are asking again question and answers. So on Saturday only I will be able to give lessons 1, 2, 3 question and answers. I will be sharing the screenshot. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, okay, we will complete textbook exercises of this lesson that we have completed just now. Okay. So on Saturday I will be displaying. So what about the classwork that we have completed in term 2 so far? In social, I will be showing. Okay. And again, they are asking about the food lesson. Okay. Next week you will have science lesson. So that time you can ask the science miss. Yeah, on Saturday I will be giving. Okay. Dikshita. So all lessons classwork I will be giving 1, 2, 3 lessons classwork I will be giving on Saturday. You can take. Okay. So as homework, once again read lesson 7 pages from 133 to 136. Also learn the hard words. Okay, children. So tomorrow, be ready with the textbook with your pencil and eraser. We will be beginning the textbook exercises. Yes. So all those asking about the classwork on Saturday only. After completing the textbook exercises, I will be displaying. Okay. So yesterday I have shown. Still some are asking. So for them I will be showing on Saturday. Okay, children. Good afternoon and thank you very much. So have a nice time. Bye, children. Mute.